I was grinding it out. I was doing like 6 hours a day, manually listing. I'm getting e-com Sniper. I'm paying the money. And it's been great, honestly. I could spend like 30 minutes a day and I'd still be good. I didn't put my account in vacation mode. I just put a 3-day handling time and I was gone for a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That really kind of messed up my sales. After that, I was bulk listing, but I wouldn't do it through competitor research. But I talked to Rupp and I started doing some sniping, changing around some settings in the competitor research, saving sellers. That really boosted my sales.
All right, what's up, guys? This is Mark Augustine here, and in this video, I have Jared, who's an 18-year-old dropshipping on eBay, and he sold 4,900 and something dollars in the past 31 days, almost $5,000, and we'll get into how he did that and all that type of stuff. But it's really interesting to me to interview these younger guys who fortunate enough to start making money online at such a young age. So this should like inspire you guys watching this. If you're 18, if you're 100, like anyone could possibly do that. You know what I mean? So anyway, my name is Mark. I've been dropshipping eBay since 2011. And in this videos, I try to help you guys make money online. So Jared, thanks for being on the channel. Who are you? Where are you from?
So my name's Jared. I'm 18 years old. I'm from California, and this is my second month of Amazon eBay dropshipping.
Okay, sweet. So there shouldn't be a secret. Jared uses Ecom Sniper as well. So if you guys want to check out Ecom Sniper, I'll put a link in the description. Or if you want a one-on-one call with me, we could do that also. I'll put a link in the description. But Jared, how did you find Ecom Sniper?
So I've always been like really interested in e-commerce since I was like 14. I did my first like drop shipping store.
Oh wow.
Ninth grade. Yeah. And about a month ago, I was just looking on Reddit for new ways to make money, and I found Rupp. I just joined the Discord from there, and then it's been great since.
Okay. Let me just go. We'll get into eBay in a second, but going back to when you're 14, you made a Shopify store or something?
No, so actually, I didn't have any money, so I did a big cartel store. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I did it through Big Cartel. I did like listed 5 free items. Yeah, I didn't get any sales, but I mean, it was a
you're 14.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
It helped in like getting you into this. All right, but yeah, let's if you want, you can share your screen and we could go into your sales, and because we started to talk about something that I wanted to talk about on camera.
You can see it, right?
Right. Okay. So 4,000, what is that?
500. Yeah. Almost
$95.97. In the past 31 days, you up 189%. But have you made a complete 2 months yet or no?
No. So I got my first listing, I think April 3rd. I did about 300 manual listings before I wanted to spend the money, to get into this really.
Yeah.
And so yeah, I was grinding it out. I was doing like 6 hours a day, manually listing. I got about 350 listings, and I was like, yeah, dude, screw this. I'm getting e-com Sniper. I'm paying the money, and it's been great. Honestly, I probably spend the days I do work more, probably upwards of like an hour and a half, but I could spend like 30 minutes a day, and I'd still be good.
But you mainly do bulk listing, right? Because you were talking a little bit about sniping, and I wanted to talk about that.
Yeah, so I was bulk listing, but I wouldn't do it through competitor research. I wouldn't save the sellers. I would just go through like 3, get like extract the titles or extract it, and just get about 400, and I would just list those. But I talked to Rupp, and I started doing some sniping, changing around some settings in the competitor research, saving sellers. That really boosted my sales.
Okay.
100%.
Okay. So what kind of explain from this graph? So I see it's from April 15th to like May 15th though. What are we seeing here? Is this all, when did you snipe? Is this all bug listing? You have 5,000 listings. Is that you listing a certain amount every day? What are you doing?
Yeah. Okay. So with this chart, these were the days where I was just bulk listing, no settings. Kind of didn't really know what I was doing, but I was just getting listings out. I knew that was important, so I was just bulk listing like this. I was probably doing 100 these days because I didn't really want to get. I want to be very cautious with this account. I was just doing like about 100. I didn't really want to shoot up to 150, 200 yet. And right here, still doing the same. This is when I started sniping. This was about I think I started sniping this day, and then this was the next day, 291. So a big jump.
Right.
And then after that, pretty consistent, probably like high, yeah, low 200s to high 200s. Really like starting to go right here. Yeah, I mean, kind of fluctuates, but you could see we're
Yeah,
definitely
but
getting up there.
you were steady around 200, a little over 200
Yeah,
for a week
yeah.
or two straight.
Yeah. And then that was right until I left. I was gone for about 3 days. I didn't put my account in vacation mode. I just put a 3 day handling time, and I was gone for a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I had extra time.
Ah, okay,
But
okay,
that,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
that really kind of messed up my sales. After that, I'm still working on getting it back up.
Yeah, but it's just a couple days. I wouldn't be too concerned. My guess is if you continue listening every day for like 3 or 4 days more, it should kind of balance out because you did have a big day or like 400 and something dollars.
Yeah, 441.
Right. So I wouldn't be too concerned. That should balance out. So guys, if you're watching this and you wanna have any questions for Jared or any questions for myself, I'll put a link in the description to a Telegram group. And if you want any specific videos, you can let us know in the comment section. All right. And then what are you're 18. So are you in school?
No, so I'm graduated high school. Yeah, graduated high school.
What are your goals with this? So on that 4,500, what you would have made a little over $1,000?
Yeah, probably around there. Probably around there.
Because what markup are you using?
So I was on a 60% markup when I started, and then I jumped to a 70 about my second week, and then I was on 80, then on 80 after that. When I got back from my trip, or actually yesterday, I moved it down to a 70% just to get some momentum back up.
Okay, okay, okay. All right,
Yeah.
sweet. Well, yeah. So, guys, I just wanted to introduce Jared to you guys. I think it's very interesting to see these young guys starting to make money online at such a young age. If you would like to join the community, I'll put a link to Ecom Sniping in the description. I invite you to like the video and subscribe. If you need any one-on-one help, I'll put a link to my calendar and comment if you want to see Jared's follow-up to see what he does in like a month or let's say a week.
Yeah, it's
But
gonna be
let us know
crazy.
what you want to see. All right, thanks for your time, Jared.
All right, bye bye. Thank you.